Hi, I'm Jeff Kinkle. I'm the chair of plastic surgery at UT Southwestern, and I'm really excited today to show you our extended care unit. This is a brand new facility that we're really excited about. So it allows us to operate on you on the second floor, and then if necessary, we can keep you overnight in the same building one floor above, which is really convenient for our patients so they don't have to travel across the street and go to the hospital. I think we have all the amenities of the hospital. It's a very nice facility. We've got full-time nursing to help care for you. Ultimately, it's going to allow your stay to be a little bit more comfortable and certainly a bit more private than going to the big hospital across the street. We do everything in this one building, which is really convenient for our patients. So I see patients in the clinic on the 5th floor. We do surgery on the 2nd floor, and then our extended care unit, which just has opened recently, is on the 3rd floor. So it's super convenient for you and your family. So as I mentioned, after you finish your surgery and go to recovery room, you'll come up to the new extended care unit where we have nursing care to help you get through that acute post-operative period. You can see we have Selena and Raquel here who are on duty to take care of our patients later today. And this isn't like going home or like going to a hotel. Our team is going to make sure that we get you comfortable, we get you up and moving around after surgery, and we monitor things very closely to get you prepared in the next day or two following your surgery to be able to go home and care for yourself. I think it's very reassuring for our patients as well as their families to have an opportunity to stay in a place like this with excellent nursing care, because it just makes them more comfortable when they decide to go home. So you can see this is our typical room. We've obviously got a nice patient bed. We have a couch that can convert to an overnight bed for a family member if they would choose to stay here. We've got an interactive TV that will not only allow you to get on the internet, but then perhaps even do some FaceTime or Skyping with your family members who are inquisitive about how you're doing. So again, we're trying to create a comfortable environment that's safe for you in your recovery. While you're recovering from your surgery, when your family member's with you, you may be nodding on and off, and it's great that we have separate areas where they can actually go and relax and give you a little bit of privacy. There is a little lounge area, both here as well as outside of the unit, where you can have some peaceful time. This is one of the lounges that we have. You can certainly have access to the internet. We've got 2 different areas where you can do this, which I think is a real nice thing to have, just to allow you to have a little bit of time to yourself. For those of you who have seen me and those of you who may not have, I love being at UT Southwestern because we have an amazing team. From top to bottom, we have a tremendous team in our clinic, down in our operating room, and as well as our team in the extended care unit. So we're really excited about the opening of the extended care unit. I think it's going to provide our patients with a different alternative for overnight stays, perhaps a bit more convenient than going across the street to the hospital, but certainly has all the luxuries and amenities of the hospital, as well as the safety priorities that we have and excellence in nursing care.